So what did you come up with? Which organism was the most closely related to humans? Okay, good. Why?
Because it had the least amount of differences in the genetic code to humans.
And the genetic code. What's the genetic code of this one? What are you actually looking at? What do these letters represent?
DNA.
Okay, but we got G's and K's and F's. Is that in DNA? No. So make sure you understand exactly what you look at here. It talks about that this is a protein. What makes up a protein? RNA is the code for a protein. What actually makes up the protein? What does the tRNA bring on its head? Who do you guys know? Let me help you. Or just a couple months ago, right? Amino acids. Okay, so these are the amino acids in this protein, cytochrome C. It's a protein that's in all of these organisms, but the amino acid chain is a little bit different. So we'll go back to Allie then. If the amino acid chain is different, what originally was different? Good. And then what was different to make the RNA different? Awesome. So yeah. So just make sure you answer in terms of amino acids, but you understand that the DNA had to be different to get a different amino acid sequence, right?
Great.
What's up, Colin?
I don't know what your problem is. These things are amazing.
When you do the drawings for these fossils, you can draw it in your packet or on the page. Doesn't matter. Sure.
What station?
You're on to station 3 now? Yes, sir.
No, you don't.
This is a protein. This is a protein. This is a protein found in all of those species that you just coded, right?
So it's all in.
Cytochrome C. Every one of these organisms has this protein. What is a little different?
The letters. Some letters are.
What are the correct? What are the letters?
Amino acids.
Good. So this is the same protein with the different amino acids. Is that what your question was?
Well, so we just said say. Yeah, I don't understand what I'm supposed to write down here.
Okay, ask me the question that's on your sheet.
Compare the cytosome C amino acid sequence in humans to each of the organisms listed in the table for your situation. Station, sorry.
Okay. Yes, and then it wants you to write down the number of differences, which is what you just calculated, right?
Turkey. I mean, no.
Yes. So this first one where it says snapping turtle right here, Malachi, I write the number of differences between a human and a snapping turtle.
So I don't have to do anything.
Correct. 3 wants you to go to 4.
Alright, so I just got the numbers that I circled,
Correct, sir.
but only for a certain number. Alright, so count how many differences there are. Snapping turtle. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do you get? No, we have to add hers up too. Yeah, you write them down. Wait, what shift do you have?
I'll ask you now. Do you guys know where to start here? Okay.
I got it.
Somebody told me that.
Start by
Somebody. Okay, go ahead.
fingers on the
Yeah. So what do you notice about the forelimbs of all of those organisms? The arms. Good. So it wants you to label the forelimbs A, B, and C. So for example, look in the human. There's a humerus, an ulna, and a radius in the arm. that's why I want you to number them, because if you start numbering them, it's easier to see. So A, B, and C on the arm bones, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the fingers. See if you can do it. Each other up. Lolo's in group 2, right? You start with the arm bones. So just pick A for humerus if you want. Doesn't matter which one's A, which one's B, and which one's C. Go ahead and label them. The arm bones are A, B, C. There you go. Okay, so go now to the whale and find its A, B, C. And which is A? Excellent. Yep. Do that for each organism, and then go back and number the fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should find homologous structures in the arm and the hand.
Next thing you know, collapse it out.
We're gonna change the top three to just having the most in common.
Yeah, we're all five. Guess I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, done.
No. G's, that's one.
That's what I'm trying to do. Oh my god. I will get back up.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I added to where I'm that's the total.
Oh my god, stop.
Look at the tails.
It's okay. Trust for numbers, trust for
Look at how this one has like a little curl at the end, and so does that one have a, this one has a little curl.
Is this right? So it's like that. Oh, it's on a race team.
You just circle the differences. Okay, but hold up a sec, because you only have to do a turtle, a monkey, a gray whale, a tuna, and a chicken, and a turkey.
Oh.
So you don't have to do all of them. That's okay. You're doing it right. So we look at the human. We're on this row, and the only one that's different is the baker's yeast. See, in this one we have a difference in the tuna. Go ahead. You got it, right? Noah?
Yeah.
And ladies, you did your circling? Okay, so make
That's so
sure
crazy.
you've answered 1 and 2.
Okay, so tuna. And then it's this one over
There you
here.
go. Yep. Yeah,
So intense.
you're doing great.
Okay. Getting nervous. So I just gotta do these ones right here.
Yes,
Only
sir.
those,
Yep,
okay.
so why don't you just go with the whale across? Because you know you have to do whale.
Yeah.
So you might even want to do this. There you go. Circle the whale. Right?
So only those. Okay.
You got it.
Okay, I think I do.
You got these ladies supporting you too.
We shouldn't have like two things that are like not as developed.
I'll be happy. Oh my god, I messed up again.
You find 5 fingers? What is the function of a forelimb of a human? Yep, that's what we have to do. Yes.
What's the next
And the reason we're writing down the functions is important because what's going to be the function of the forelimb of a bird? Yeah, so they're different functions.
Okay.
Okay.
This is like A, Y.
I did that one with you.
Oh.
I got the gray whale, tuna, and I don't know what other one I did. I did. So that those.
Wait, there's only two snacks.
I gotta do the monkey.
Wait, so you only had one?
I got 5. I got 5.
Okay, well, number 3?
Yeah.
All right, very cool.
Okay, I got 5.
Wait.
Fossil evidence for 3.
I got 5.
The table below contains a collection of fossils that
Are you just counting the ones that you circled?
Yeah. So for
That's gonna be wrong.
Keaton,
I feel like it is.
okay, for
Racist monkey.
no, Rhesus monkey.
Racist. I was right.
Good. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Right. Well, Zipper was.
Very good.
Get
You
it.
got it.
Wait.
That's the difference between human and yeah.
Are you on 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so during which time period in the fossil timeline does it appear that 2 separate species developed? What do you think?
I don't know.
Where's the beginning of time in this?
Back here.
Good. Okay, so it goes up. So we have organisms here in the fossil record. Do they look pretty similar? Okay. And then you follow it up and you determine when they're different enough that we may have had 2 separate species instead of 1. What do you think?
15.
Why do you say that the early Coloradian is the time?
Colorado. Right here.
Tell me why.
What about the? Wait.
Okay, you notice a difference in the tail. Good. Jacob, what do you think?
Algebra. I think I know what real math is. You're only
Okay, so convince him then, Kara. If he's not sure, why is this the mark of a new species?
Because it starts.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
There's definitely a difference in the tail. How about the body segments? I see differences in body segments. Do you know what I mean by body segments? Okay, so is there enough of a difference there with the tail, the body segments? What about the head?
Yeah.
It is what you think, as long as you explain your answer. So decide together.
Wait. Are these numbers right?
That's okay. Yeah. Yep. Go with your data. That's okay. Because you're adding hers and yours together, right? Because you each did half of the work. Okay.
Hey, move your hand.
Go with it.
What the? Bread mold?
Bread mold. Yeah. 33 genetic differences in that protein between us and bread mold. That's still more like than different. Is that crazy or what? It is cool, isn't it?
You know what? I wonder how related we are to a
Based
potato.
on all of this, I think it'll be fatigued.
How much you want to bet?
Probably about the same as which one?
Rhesus monkey?
No.
Which one do you think is
It's
probably
so
of the
similar.
things we have on the data table? Maybe you could compare it to the bread mold. Yep.
Dude, that's pretty cool.
Okay, at this point, you should be at station 2. You know, we're the second station.
It's more close
got 4 to do.
Dude, we're half.
So
So we kind of your timeline,
probably
you know
be
where you're at.
Yeah, but we did the hardest
So
one.
Keaton, to help them so you can get through number 4.
What's number 5? Gray whale.
What additional data or information? Maybe like the bone structure.